Hello everyone. Now we will go one step forward and it is the part 2 of the Indian history timeline. In the last video we already discussed Stone Age, Harappa civilization and Vedic era, post-Vedic era and pre-Vedic era. We already discussed 4 Vedas. We discussed Harappa civilization and now we will go forward and we will discuss all important dates which already happened in the Indian history. And now it is the turn of 563 BCE to 483 BCE. And Gautam Buddha was born in 563 BCE and he died in the 483 BC. Okay, so he was born. He was born in the very reputed clan that was Kshatriya dynasty in the Lumbini, Bihar. And he got at the age of 20. He left his house. And he go for the search of real truth. And then he got enlightenment, he got true knowledge at attainment in the Bodh Gaya, under the Bodhi tree in Bodh Gaya. And he gave his first sermon in Sarnath and he got his Nirvan in the Kushinagar, UP. He was the founder of both religion in India, and from here both religion spread throughout the world with the true efforts of King Ashok. Okay, now we will go the next topic. It's 540 BCE to 468 BCE. Mahavir Swami. So Mahavir Swami was born in the 540 BC and he died in the 468 BCE. He born in Vaishali, Bihar. Vaishali is in Bihar. He born in Vaishali, and he was also belonged to the very reputed clan that was Kshatriya clan. Okay, and he was the 24th Tirthakar of Jain religion, and he got Kaivalya. Kaivalya means Nirvana. It's also Nirvana at the age of 42 years, and he passed away in Pavapuri, Patna, Bihar. Okay, now next one is 492 to 460 BC. Ajatashatru, he was the son of King Bimbisar, came into power and he ruled on Magad. Magad was very, very rich Janpad of that time. So 364 to 321 BC, Nanda dynasty came into power in Magad. After Ajatashatru, Nanda dynasty came into power. It was one more important thing that happened in the Indian history. Okay, now in the 326 BC, India attacked by Alexander in the Battle of Hydaspes with the King Porus. King Porus defeated, but he was Alexander was very impressed with his power and his way of struggle, his way of fighting. So he gave back him his entire empire to him, and he forgave him also. This battle happened on the bank of river Jhelum. It is very important to learn the Battle of Hydaspes where happened. It happened on the bank of Jhelum river. Okay, now next one is 322 to 298 BC. It's Chandragupta Maurya. Mauryan dynasty came into power under Chandragupta Maurya. Okay, and the 273 to 232 BC, the great Ashok ruled over the throne of Magad, and in the 261 BC he attacked on Kalinga. Nowadays Kalinga is known as Odisha. He won all 16 Mahajanpads. 16 Mahajanpads was there at that time. He conquered all 15. Just one Janpad was there remaining. That was Kalinga. He attacked on Kalinga, and in that battle, lot of people died and lot of people injured badly. So this caused grief into the King Ashok, and then in 257 BC he converted into Buddhism by Buddha monk Upgupta. Okay, now the 250 BC third Buddhist council took place in the Patliputra by King Ashok. Okay, next one is 90 BC. Shak invasion started in this era in the 90 BC. And the 58 BC, the Vikram Samvat is the king of Vikramaditya. The king of Vikramaditya, he was the king of Ujjayan. he started Vikram Samvat in the 58 BC, and that is very important calendar. And up to this date, so many things is happen according to Vikram Samvat. Okay, two Samvats are there, which are Indian Samvat, Shak Samvat and Vikram Samvat. So Vikramaditya started Vikram Samvat. He was the king of Ujjain, and he started this one in the 58 BC. Next one is 2246 AD. Gonda Pharaohs and Indo-Parthian kings came into India and tried to conquer the parts of India. Okay. Next one is the 78 AD. Kanishka. Kanishka was the king. He was Shak king. In the 90 BC, Shak's invasion was in India, and it is the beginning of Shak's era in India in the 78 BC with the King Kanishk. He was very important ruler, and it is a lot of things we will discuss about him, but this is only timeline. That's why we are just taking overview of these things. And timeline is divided into 4 parts with me. It is the second part. See all the parts. Subscribe my channel, like my videos, and don't forget to share it. Thank you.